Hey everyone, my name is Aimee Rebecca and thank you so much for joining me for another day of Vlogmas. I was totally not planning on filming this video today because, spoiler alert, you have already gleaned this from the title, but it's the Project Pan finale today and I wanted to stretch it out a little bit longer to give myself an extra week to use up as much as possible, but I've decided that between like Christmas and New Year, I'm just gonna take a break and I'm not gonna upload any videos, which I feel kind of bad about even saying that because I missed so many Vlogmas uploads that it's like, do you deserve a break? I think I still deserve a break, and so I'm taking a week off. So this is really the only chance we have for Project Pan. And I actually brushed my hair and put on like makeup today, so I was like, hey, let's make the most of it and film 2 videos. So here we are. Okay, so final Project Pan of 2020. I'm feeling weirdly emotional about it. Let's go through this one last time. In the immortal words of Ariana Grande, one last time. Okay. I'm going to start with the thing that I am most excited about, which is this eyeshadow palette. It's the Live Love London Love Your Look Live Mattes palette. Yeah, none of this stuff is in a good working order, okay? I feel really good about this because so many of these are panned now. The goal for this was to hit pan on 3 new shades, and I did that, right? I think this one, was that already panned? I don't remember, but I did hit pan on 3. I don't know, for sure these 2, the light one and the black one, I hit pan on both of those. And then I hit pan on another one, but I really, truly don't remember what it was. Anyway, the palette is almost empty at this point. I'm feeling really good about it. Look at how that black pan is growing. So satisfying. So what I'm thinking is at the end of this year, when we say goodbye to 2020, finally, I'm going to depot. I wanted to say depop. That's not right. I want to depot some of these. I really enjoy this one, the grey and the black, and even this like silvery one. I think I'm going to take those out and put them into one of my magnetic palettes, and then the rest can just go. Which of my epic failures do I want to talk about next? What a choice. Okay, let's talk about this. Let's get this out of the way and move on with our lives. This is the Boots Expert Skincare Micellar Water. See this? These 2 lines. This was the beginning 3 months ago. This is where we are now. We've made no progress. I don't like it. I'm gonna declutter it. I'm willing to move on. Like, I was really adamant that I didn't want to throw this away, and then why? If it breaks me out and I don't like using it, why won't I throw it away? I'm putting it in the bin right now before I change my mind. It's gone. Okay, moving on to the next epic fail of this Project Pan. This is the Soap & Glory Sexy Mother Pucker Lip Lacquer in Charm Offensive. Do we have to talk about it? I've said it before, I've said it again. Lip gloss in the age of having to wear a face covering to go outside is not the one. And it didn't work out. Next, I have a little bit of progress on this Maybelline Colour Show nail polish. That's what that is. In 325 Downtown Red. Look, we started off and it was full and now it's down to here, so not huge progress, nothing to write home about, nothing to celebrate, nothing to feel particularly proud of, but I have been really enjoying having some festive toenails. And maybe I might even paint my nails for Christmas. Probably won't. I don't know why I said that. I'm too lazy to do that. Okay, let's get into... There wasn't words. Let's get into the last few products. This one was kind of disappointing to me. This is the Benefit C&B Scene Sasha perfume. It's the little mini one. And oh, I'm so close to done on this. And again, if we were filming this right at the end of the year, on maybe like the 28th, then I think it would be done because we're down to the last few drops. But yeah, literally another 3 or 4 uses is all that's left in here, and then that one is going to be done. So kind of frustrating that it's not done in this video, but good to know that it will be done by the end of 2020. And if it's not, you'll never know. Okay, are you ready for the Rimmel Cage Sculpting face palette? Friends. I felt so good about this last month when I finally hit pan in the highlight. I thought, we got it. We're going to do it. We're going to have 2 pans on here by the end of the year. And I have been attacking this blush pretty aggressively. I kid you not, I put blush on my lips today to try and get in and use a little bit more of it. That's how obsessive I am about trying to use this thing up. And we still haven't hit pan, which just goes to show that blush lasts like 20 times longer than I ever thought possible. I hate to say this because 2020 has been disappointing enough and we don't need more failure in our lives at this point, but the blush beat me. As if this year wasn't bad enough, the blush beat me. I feel like really strongly about it. It's like a personal attack. Why have I not hit pan? Why? Like, how close are we to pan? Can I just dig down to the pan? I've lost my mind. Yay! Not so smug now, are you? Okay, when I say 2020 has pushed me over the edge, this is what I mean. We hit pan! I think that was cheating, but you know what? I needed a victory this year. Okay, last powder product that I have been working on this year is the Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer in Ticket to Brazil. You'd never know because the top of it is so filthy you can't even see the words. Welcome to my life. Again, so close with this one. We are down to the last little bit just around the edge. Again, I think by the end of December this might be used up too. I wouldn't necessarily bet on it because powder does take a little longer to use up, but we're down to the last little bit. And if I could finish this in time to like throw it out before 2021, I would feel good about that, to start on a new bronzer. Okay, and finally, let's talk about the lipsticks. I've been trying to alternate between both these lipsticks this month to get as much use as possible before the end of the year. I think we can see a little bit more progress on the Clinique. How do I still not know what this is called? Clinique Long Last lipstick in Pink Spice. I mean, we knew it wasn't going to be done by the end of the year, but it's still kind of disappointing. A little bit less noticeable progress in this Rimmel Moisture Renew lipstick in Heather Shimmer. How do I not know the names of these products? I've been talking about them for 11 months. It's getting there, and I've been saying that since February, so it's still getting there. But when I compare what these lipsticks look like now to what they look like at the beginning of the year, there's huge progress. But at the beginning of the year, I thought, yeah, I'll be able to pan a lipstick. I'll be able to pan 3. No, I could not. So I'm sorry, because I feel like I really wanted to go out with a bang for the final of the 2020 project pan. I wanted to be able to finish off a lot more than I did. But I didn't. But I've really enjoyed doing a project pan this year. This was my first time doing it, so I definitely want to continue and do a new project pan in 2021. Let me know in the comments section down below if, firstly, do you want that? I know we've enjoyed it this year, but is that something you want me to continue for another year? Obviously with different products, because we're all sick of these now. We don't like you. Let me know if that's something that you still want to see. Also, let me know if you have any tips for having a more successful project pan or ideas of the kinds of products that you would like to see me trying to use up. Thank you guys so much for joining me again today. I will be back tomorrow with the last Vlogmas video of 2020. I'm so excited. It's going to be a real like chill fest. Bring some wine maybe. But until then, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember that I love you so much and I will see you all soon. Bye!